Surely there must be some truth to it if we're all talking about it. Yet, many people also talk about the Loch Ness Monster and Bigfoot, so is it just folklore? And if so, where does it come from? Well, there are a few sources. It seems that Nibiru and Planet X have ultimately become considered the same thing. Planet X was said to have been discovered by an ancient Bronze Age civilization known as the Sumerians, who lived in the Middle East. The Sumerians were an intelligent people, and their mathematics are still used today. Allegedly, they were keen astronomers and observed a 12th planet in the solar system called Nibiru. How do we know this? From drawings they made. Of course, this was thousands of years before the invention of the telescope, so unless they had superhuman space vision, they were likely just looking at stars, or drawing something imaginary. After all, not everything we draw reflects reality, or it would be very boring. Nonetheless, it is said that the Sumerians believed a 12th planet orbited the Sun every 3,600 years. And when I say it is said, I mean it's one of those phrases conspiracy theorists online use to make their claims sound factual without any verifiable source. Somehow, these believers put the pieces together in strange ways, thinking that this mysterious 12th planet, which ancient humans had no way of seeing, would soon return and collide with Earth. And why? Because of stone carvings. And when was this supposed to happen? According to them, in 2003, so nothing happened. Meanwhile, chatter about Nibiru began in the 1990s. In 1995, the era of accessible home internet emerged, along with internet trolls and forum warriors. Suddenly, conspiracy theories could be shared online for everyone to see. This is exactly what happened when Nancy Leader from Wisconsin claimed she was warned by aliens about a planet called Nibiru that would come and destroy Earth. According to the story, these aliens came from a planet 39.17 light-years away from Earth. But as far as we know, there are no habitable planets that close. Joining the Nibiru bandwagon was Christian numerologist David Meade, who tied the planet concept neatly to his predictions for the rapture. Of course, he was the one who claimed the planet would collide with Earth on September 23, 2017, which of course did not happen. So what do real astronomical experts say about the threat of such a planet? You'll be pleased to know that NASA has an entire page dedicated to Nibiru and Planet X. A whole page debunking these claims. One of the more definitive statements on their website reads, "Nibiru and other stories about rogue planets are an internet hoax. There is no factual basis for these claims. If Nibiru or Planet X were real and heading for an encounter with Earth in 2012, astronomers would have been tracking it for at least the past decade, and it would be visible by now to the naked eye." However, NASA did confirm the existence of a new planet called Eris, a small, icy planet beyond Pluto, smaller than Earth's moon. For a time it was referred to as Planet X because it was thought to be the 10th planet in our solar system. However, both Eris and Pluto were reclassified as dwarf planets, reducing the number of official planets in our solar system to 8. Astronomers are constantly searching for planets in our galaxy, and eventually beyond, in the vast expanse of the universe. Of course, there will be planets, and probably even life, that we don't know about yet. But if Nibiru or Planet X truly existed, we have the technology to detect it. Since we see nothing like it in our own solar system, the logical assumption is that it simply isn't there.